guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out these assets together, and of course everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. And as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and I will be using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, this was actually going back on buy trend, and of course it was unable to break out above this resistance zone, and it has been playing around there for a very long time. So it should either break out above this resistance zone or break out below the support zone, but most likely for it to break out above the resistance zone, because it is actually going back on a buy trend. So this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, but you need to wait for the breakout to happen, okay, before you go fully into it. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, just the way we have seen it. Remember, I'm on 5-minute time frame, okay, and of course just the way we have seen it, this actually sold till it got to this support zone, went back up, played around there for a while, tried the support zone again. It was unable to break out below it. So this time around it started buying. It was unable to go beyond this resistance zone, so it came back on sell trend. If it's unable to break out below this support zone, then definitely it should go back buying, but if it breaks out below it, to keep on selling. Okay, so this is selling at the moment, okay, until it is unable to break out below that support zone. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. This has been on a very strong downtrend. It has got into this support zone several times, and of course if you should check it out, here is the support region. Okay, it's been maintaining it. Okay, might want to crash till it get to this region before it goes back on buy trend fully. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to crash beyond the support zone. That is when it will go back into a buy trend. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. This has been buying right from there, got to this region, pull back, went back up again to end the trend around this resistance zone. So right now it is on downtrend. Okay, so this is selling at the moment myself for some time before going back into a buy trend. Okay, so the next asset is also volatility 75, which is going to be our last asset for today. So this had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance of pullback, but this time around went back to break out from there, and of course it has gotten to this resistance zone and it is selling at the moment. Okay, and this will keep on selling, okay, for a very long time. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.